Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. So let's start with today's session, that is on Sustainable Development Goal 7. Imagine waking up one morning and suddenly there is no electricity, no lights, no fan, no phone charging, no internet, no fridge, no water supply, no hospital machines working. Life stops. That is how important energy is. SDG Goal 7 is about making sure every single person on earth gets clean, safe, and affordable energy. Electricity that does not harm the planet. This one sustainable development goal touches every part of life: education, business, transport, health, climate change, everything. And that is why Goal 7 is one of the most powerful goals of the entire SDG framework. Why SDG 7 really matters. Energy is equals to development opportunity and dignity. Energy is not just electricity, it is hope. It is opportunity. A child cannot study without light. A hospital cannot save lives without power. A farmer cannot run irrigation pumps without electricity. A business cannot grow without machines and computers. When energy is missing, development freezes. That is why SDG 7's mission is to make energy accessible for everyone, rich or poor, rural or urban. Now the dirty side of old energy systems. For more than 100 years, the world relied on coal, oil and gas. These made life easier but also polluted our air, warmed the planet and damaged our health. About 3/4 of all global emissions come from how we produce and use energy. If we don't fix the energy system, we cannot fix the climate crisis. SDG 7 pushes the world toward cleaner choices: solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and energy efficiency. Now, energy through time. A simple story. How humans moved from firewood to clean energy. Our ancestors used wood and fire. Then came coal, which powered the Industrial Revolution. Oil changed the world by powering cars, planes, and shipping. Electricity made cities glow. Then came nuclear, powerful but controversial. And now, the hero of our times, renewable energy. These clean sources are transforming how we live, travel, and work. They are cheaper, cleaner, and more available than ever before. Solar, the new superstar of energy. Solar panels can sit on rooftops, deserts, farms, even floating on water. They work silently and create clean energy from sunlight. The price of solar has fallen so much that today it is cheaper than coal in many countries. Solar will play the biggest role in making SDG 7 a reality. Wind, water, earth, heat, and bioenergy, the clean team. Wind turbines capture energy from moving air. Hydropower uses flowing rivers. Geothermal energy taps into Earth's natural heat. Bioenergy converts agricultural waste into power. Together, these sources form a clean energy team that can help the world move away from fossil fuels. Now, the problems the world still faces. Millions still live without electricity. Nearly 800 million people still live in darkness. They use candles, kerosene lamps, and firewood. Dangerous, smoky, and expensive. Without electricity, children cannot study at night. Hospitals cannot treat emergencies, and small businesses cannot grow. SDG 7 aims to eliminate this energy poverty. The world still loves fossil fuels too much. Coal plants are still running. Oil is still powering cars. Gas still heats homes. This dependence slows progress and damages the environment. The faster we shift to clean energy, the faster we slow down climate change. Now, high energy prices destroy household budgets. When electricity bills rise, everything becomes more expensive. And this can reduce cost in the long term, but many families still cannot afford the initial setup of solar panels or efficient appliances. Now, the future of energy, super simple, super exciting. Decentralized power. Mini grids, microgrids, solar homes. The future is not just big power plants, it is millions of small smart systems. Rural villages can run on mini solar grids, homes can produce their own power through rooftop solar, communities can share clean energy. This makes energy cleaner, cheaper, and more reliable. Energy storage and smart batteries. The biggest problem with renewable energy is timing. Solar works during the day, wind works when wind blows. Batteries fix this by storing extra energy and releasing it later. Smart grids balance energy supply and demand. Together, they make renewable energy stable and trustworthy. Green hydrogen, clean fuel for big industries. Steel mills, shipping, aviation, and heavy trucks cannot run on batteries alone. That's where green hydrogen comes in. It is made from water using renewable electricity and burns without pollution. Countries like India, Japan, and Germany are betting big on hydrogen. Electric vehicles, clean transport for the future. Petrol and diesel cars produce huge emissions. Electric vehicles are changing that. They are clean, quiet, and becoming cheaper every year. When EVs run on renewable energy, transport becomes almost pollution-free. Now comes energy efficiency, the world's cleanest energy source, using less energy without losing comfort. Energy efficiency means doing the same things, cooling, lighting, cooking, working, but using less energy. It is the cheapest and fastest way to reduce emissions. LED lights, efficient ACs, smart buildings, and better industrial processes save billions of dollars and cut pollution. Smart cities and smart buildings. Modern buildings use sensors to control lighting and cooling. They use sunlight, natural wind flow, and insulated materials to reduce electricity consumption. Smart buildings are a big part of SDG 7 success. Now, how SDG 7 lift other SDGs? Clean energy improves health, education, and economy with affordable electricity. Hospitals save more lives, schools run digital classrooms, factories operate efficiently, and cities stay safe. SDG 7 boosts almost all other SDGs: poverty reduction, climate action, clean water, quality education, sustainable cities, and more. Now, what is stopping us from achieving SDG 7? The initial cost is still high for many solar panels. EVs and efficient appliances save money in the long run, but their initial cost can be a barrier for millions. Lack of skilled workers in clean tech. The clean energy industry needs technicians, engineers, installers, auditors, and energy managers. Without training, the transition slows down. Slow policy and poor infrastructure. Many countries still support fossil fuels. Policies for renewable energy are often unclear or slow. Fast, bold decisions are needed. Now, what the world must do before 2030? Go big on renewables. Go big on efficiency. Governments, businesses, and communities must scale up solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and smart efficiency systems at record speed. Switch homes, industries, and transport to electricity, electric cookers, electric cars, electric factories powered by clean energy will shape the next decade. Make clean energy affordable for poor communities. This includes subsidies, cheap loans, community solar systems, and free basic energy access to grants. What you and I can do: save energy in easy everyday ways. Turn off unused lights, use energy-efficient appliances, reduce AC temperature, unplug chargers. Small actions from millions of people create huge impact. Choose clean mobility. Whenever you can use public transport, carpool, cycle, walk, or shift to EVs. Cleaner travel is equals to cleaner future. Support solar, support renewables. Install rooftop solar if possible. Join community solar projects. Encourage others to adopt clean energy. Spread the message. Talk about clean energy. Teach children. Promote awareness at workplaces and schools. Change begins with conversations. A bright, clean, and hopeful future. SDG 7 is not just about electricity. It is about creating a world where every child can study at night, every patient can get safe treatment, every business can grow, and every nation can thrive. Clean energy means cleaner air, healthier families, stronger economies, and a safer climate. We are living in a time where the world's biggest transformation is happening. The shift from dirty energy to clean, limitless, renewable energy. And you and I are part of that story. Every action you take, saving energy, supporting solar, choosing cleaner transport, pushes the world closer to achieving SDG Goal 7. The future can be bright, green, and full of possibilities, but only if we choose to power it in the right way. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TLV Academy.